Gloster's roots can be traced all the way back to West Africa in 1960, where a band of passionate entrepreneurs and furniture makers took the first steps on a long journey. In the early 1970s, we moved our factory to Indonesia in order to secure access to sustainable plantation-grown teak, and we've been there ever since. Gloster teak tree has a life cycle of at least 50 years, and our wood can always be traced back to its origin. We believe that our customers must be able to trust us, so we treat the world, its resources, and its people with respect. Thanks to this approach and our loyalty to manufacturing in Indonesia over the past 3 decades, we now have the unique privilege of owning our own teak plantation on Java where, in December 2018, we planted over 15,000 teak trees. Gloster's production of teak is characterized by our approach. We understand our resources and we know our wood. We aim for zero wastage within our factory, even recycling the small offcuts of wood to fire the kilns that we use to season our timber. We combine both modern working machinery with traditional craftsmanship in our factory, where we have more than 750 craftsmen on the payroll. And 6 of our employees have been working with us for over 31 years. Our factory is at the heart of Gloster's DNA, where we use our own hands, our own people, and now our own teak to craft our furniture. Today, the same passion, conviction, pride and respect for nature that first launched the Gloster brand continues to fuel our business. The Gloster journey started 59 years ago, and our founder, Paul Wallevick, worked with wood from day one. We are now able to complete full circle and follow our own teak trees growing up in the plantations over the next 50 years before we start making them into furniture with our own people.